I would recommend this course to people who are interested in finding out more about the chakras.
You learn a lot of things about yourself, and you get to meet new people.
For exploration purposes initially, but just if you come with an open mind, I think the way the course is presented, it's pretty ego-free, which is very good when you're on a learning journey. That you've got somebody who's facilitating the sessions, who hasn't got a huge ego, is very receptive to learn themselves, and so you kind of feel you're working in partnership. But obviously there's some expertise with Esteban who's delivering it.
I strongly recommend this course for all those people who are just searching for a more self-confidence, a better self-esteem, those people who sometimes feel lost themselves in their life. I think that this is a first step to improve their life and be better.
You'll certainly find out more. You will understand the different chakras, the colours, the musical notes to it, being positive, the affirmations, and it's just generally a lovely course to be on, to find out more and meet like-minded people.
It's been fun, it's been entertaining.
Thank you for a very interesting course.
It's been a really enjoyable experience.
Such a fascinating subject.
If you want to know yourself, you want to learn about yourself, then